your attendance today, my beloved students. Uh, Today of our class 28, lecture number 28 on 22nd February 2021 on this auspicious Monday. And some of you might be getting prepared to come to our NIT Rourkela campus, as some of the scholars were also telling me that they are coming. Don't worry, take all the precautions and then suggestions and follow all the rules and regulations of our Temple of Knowledge, our NIT Rourkela, as well as your parents there who are the living gods and taking care of you. Nobody else can take care of your health better than your own parents. Of course, we can try our best to help you people. Now, I have taken attendance once, twice with a safety factor 2. Now, if my voice is clear, then I will start sharing the slides and we can start the class. Let me know whether my voice is clear, and also let me
Yes, sir.
know whether you are able to see this board, because I would like to write and utilize our board. Are you able to see this? Whatever I have written here.
Yes, sir.
You are, I think this is a very good suggestion made by one of our beloved students in the last class. In your class only I got that good suggestion, and I made this arrangement so that you need not feel we are missing that whatever is teaching on the board. Now we have that facility with us. And if you are able to see this, I'll be very happy to utilize. And as if you are there in the classroom with me, then we can continue. This is our underground coal mining methods. That is our MN 2102 and lecture number 28 on 22nd February 24. I hope you are able to see this. Please tell me yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Adjust
Yes,
it.
sir.
Adjust. If you are able to see, I think we have been discussing on this long wall mining related issues, and again we have our standard operating procedure or SOP, whatever you may call, in the beginning, whatever we decided, our assignment, whatever we have taken up, and that presentations 50% of the time on this learning based education, this assignment in the Word, in the Word file, as well as your PDF and then PPT and your YouTube link. Everything must have been prepared by you all and submitted to your CR and made available. And I've given an option of your learning based education, whatever you decided the topic. And you must have been inspired to collect more and more material on that topic of your interest from the syllabus, which we decided that you must have prepared it. Your CR can display, otherwise I will also show you once again. And before that, let me tell you that 50% of the time we will utilize for our regular class now, and then 50%, I mean around 30 minutes, for your presentations. That is also part of the class, where based on your collection of the material, I'm very happy to see a lot of our beloved students sending assignments to me also. That also can be kept in the assignment chapter in the MS team and through the mail, and a copy should be there with everybody. That is what is a purpose of our teaching learning process, and then this assignment of learning based one, and that you should have derived pleasure out of collecting the material, and then more pleasure will be there when you really present what you collected to your friends and everybody here. That is a skill that we wanted to develop, and that is a part of our Skill India as a part of our National Education Policy 2020, which we are preparing as a part of our NEP 2020 and mining education. In our NIT Rourkela, we are preparing the document. Already I submitted to you people through your WhatsApp group, whatever. You must have read it. You should learn to be a part of everything what is happening as far as our mining education is concerned, and specific to our underground coal mining methods, MN 2102. Now, without wasting time, let us continue. Now, I am sharing my slides. Let me know whether you are able to see the slide or my screen here. And as I have told, you have to respond to me, then only I can go further easily. Right. You just respond to me, then I will go further. Already I kept at that time, even here also your points for further modifications or suggestions on NEP 2020 vis-a-vis mining during our MST meeting on 19th. Of course, many people they tried to join, but I was there in another doctoral scrutiny committee for some time, so I could not make it allow. And I told our Professor Sayendraram, one of our best friends or committee member, to look after. In that way, some people could not join, but many people have given a lot of suggestions. That is, I am very much thankful to everybody. And now here, let me continue with our class. Already it is being recorded for your purpose only, so that everybody can listen to it later, and as a record for those who could not join, because of some problem in the internet connectivity. So many problems may be there. Don't worry for that. We are not the part of the problem, but we are the part of the solution to the problems, and we are not memory builders. We are a problem solvers. I mean, my beloved students, everybody is Arjun in solving the problems. Yes. So welcome again to our MN 2102 on this lecture 28 on 22nd February 2021. We start the class with the status of all the assignments, as I told you, but that we will take up after a few minutes. First, that 3 persons be ready who are presenting it. So after 10-15 minutes, I will continue that. In the last class, we have seen, my beloved student, some of the information regarding even specifications of the equipments also. And instead of writing and telling all these things, because many materials are already available, whether it is our given reference materials like our coal mining principles and practices of modern coal mining methods by Professor R.D. Singh sir, or whether it can be Introduction to Mining Technology, the recent 2020, or some other books are Dr. T.N. Singh's of Winning Underground Coal, where we also contributed as a part, as a scientist of CMRS and AIRM, whatever, while preparing that books. So we would like to have more and more information, because that is some latest information at that time while writing that book. So I encourage you people to even go through whenever that is available to you, and also sometimes online or sometimes in the library later when you return back. And now continue with that. Important aspects as far as that equipments or machinery is concerned. After that shearer, whatever we have seen the last time, now that we have seen, let me just show you. Yes, these are technical features already we have seen as a part of what is the power supports, and then about this already we discussed, and as even we used to ask at that time typical characteristics of roof strata. Some students also started telling something that if it is not answered rightly, now you can also take advantage as CEP1 continuity for today's class also. And then we have seen at that time these, and now continuing with that, you please note down some important points on the machineries and other things used. Specifically as far as mining method is concerned, we are more concerned with the capacity. That is, when I have a large capacity, I can prepare the coal. Coal preparation at the face is done by the shearer here. When it is done by the shearer, and the next process is coal evacuation from the face. These are the words you should note down. I have not written everything here. So coal preparation is being done by the shearer. When I can prepare 1000 tons per hour or 500 tons per hour or 200 tons per hour, whatever is the capacity of that shearer, and if I cannot evacuate from the face, so right, that is the reason why this is very important aspect as far as the capacity of the conveying system is concerned. You note down this, that is 800 tons per hour's capacity. Generally, the coal preparation, when you are preparing X coal per hour, you should have the capacity to even take, even with some safety factor, 1.5 times. It need not be 2 times, right? Or 1.2 times, 1.5 times, that much capacity, so that you should evacuate it, so that there will not be any problem of your jamming at the face and other problems of breakdowns. So that is the point you should understand. And then of course, for that purpose, what are other requirements? Now it can be change speed 0.92 meter per second. This is a manufacturer's specifications to take care of its motor, 150 kilowatt, all those things, right? And then of course, this span size is important for us because that much of width, that is when it is 1.5, it is a 1.5 meter by 0.7 meters by 0.27 meters. This is a width, length, and all these things that should be accommodated at the face. And this is the way how your total face design is done. And of course, as far as your power pack is concerned, you may be interested to know why this power pack is required. And the answer is also very simple. It is when you are using your hydraulic choke supports, right? Even hydraulic motors that we are using, even in the shearer, somewhere electrical motor, somewhere hydraulic motors, right? So now you are supposed to give that much pressured oil, and it is not 100% oil, and that's what is this. That's why we call it as a 95% clean and neutral water with 5% soluble oil. So this is what is the mixed, and then that is used as a fluid. And that one, when you visit any long wall panel, you may be seeing all along the floor here and there, if it is not properly maintained, lot of oil with white color like that. Okay, so that is nothing but this SS oil, servo control oil, like these names they give it. But there is about 5% oil and 95% of your clean water in that. It is not the water what is there in the mine, whatever is pumped out, it is not being used like that. It is supposed to be clean. So separate water is supposed to be pumped to that place of this power pack system. And then of course, these are the other pressures and all. This we should have some idea, but need not be known as electrical and mechanical engineers. But as a mining engineer, what is required, that's what I would like to give you lot of emphasis, my beloved students. And here this crusher and the lump breaker. So why this crusher or the lump breaker is required? So whenever you are cutting the coal, it is not like a homogeneous medium or media where whatever is cut, something like a metal parts. It is very simple. Now we are also supposed to give importance to our multidisciplinary research or transdisciplinary research as a part of National Education Policy 2020. There may be students, of course, we used to have the students from computer science, electronics, electrical, and other departments like humanities, mathematics, physics, like that. I used to teach them even a decade or whatever long back when I was head of the department, or since as a professor in 2006 I came. I used to give these courses even on mining, introduction to mining technology, or other aspects of it to all branches of engineering. So that's where already we started our National Education Policy 2020 in the true spirit from 2006 itself in our NIT Rourkela for our mining engineering department, my beloved students. And that's what I used to share with you when I am preparing another document as a part of our National Education Policy 2020, vis-a-vis mining engineering. Already you must have seen that. And so I have received so many suggestions from India and outside India also, from the faculties in NIT, students, scholars, from NIT Rourkela and from other institutions, including CMPDI, IBM, MCL, whatever, right? JSW, Dalmia, and Coal India, Singareni College, so many people, right? And other countries also, from electronics, mechanical, artificial intelligence engineers, from Gaussian solutions, and advanced soft technologies from Hyderabad, maybe from US in different places, right? So that's where I wish that my students should get acquainted with and with the recent trend of our education system, and that system with our underground coal mining methods. And why I am telling all this, underground coal mining methods are supposed to be improved. That cannot be done by only mining engineer. We need all these people, electronics, mechanical, artificial intelligence, and all those people, right? And mechanical, civil, all those people. So that's why that trend you should understand and should take advantage of our total system of education of Ministry of Education and recent policies of Ministry of Education and National Education Policy 2020. You must have understood why I am emphasizing, re-emphasizing, re-advocating, treating you as my Arjuns of all the next generation Arjuns, right? Okay. Now here, crushing, why it is required? When it is cut, the homogeneous media like a mechanical engineering cutting, right, metal part, then whatever shape you are cutting, that only will come. But here it is coal, jointed, cleated, so many things. It is our ultimately our Mother Earth, not on the top, right? On the top is Akash, so our Matrubhumi, right? So Mother Earth, so that is not homogeneous. That has different type of so many problem, geological discontinuities, cleats and all joints, right? So it may break into small parts, somewhere bigger parts, although you are cutting or rotating with the picks of tungsten carbide in the shearer, okay, with 500 HP or whatever the capacity of the drum or the torque you are producing for cutting in the shear or by crushing with compression, all those things you may be applying as a rock mechanics or geotechnical engineer. But that may be broken in bigger size blocks. At that time, what will happen? So that blocks should be made into smaller parts so that it will not get jammed in your belt conveyor somewhere here and there, right? And even the capacity of the conveying will be better if there is some uniform size or some variation may be allowed. Then that capacity will be better. So keeping all this in view, you will have a lump breaker, crusher and all those things in this. So these things, how it is done, of course I will be showing you later. And then that is about maximum output size is 30 centimeter. That means what? There may be even 70 centimeter, this much size. I think it is 70 means it may be about this. This much size blocks may also fall after cutting by the shearer, and that blocks will be crushed to about 30 centimeter, means one scale size, right? 12 inch or 30 cent, this much size. Then that is easy for transport. And what will happen if it is a very big block? Then 70, right? That is your CEP question 2 you can consider, right? So then you think over. Then motor power, of course, whatever 110 kilowatts and other things. Other things you can read. I am providing all this information. And next is your belt conveyor. So this also should have that related capacity, right? So that whatever from the stage loader that material is coming, and at the belt conveyor, it is falling onto the belt conveyor, and that again I will explain here also, no problem if it is required. Then belt conveyor is about 1.2 meter width, right? That is being used with 3.3 kV, whatever is there. And then in addition to that, nowadays, now you should learn, my beloved students, and I will break after just 1 or 2 slides here because now it is 9:28:29. Now for your assignments, we will continue. Now signaling, telecommunications, nowadays, this is very important, and people also all along the face and from the face even up to the general manager level, whether it is at Adriala project or whether it is at Janja project, where we are using 800 crores worth of the equipment, 800 to 1000 crores, unless you know what is happening as a general manager, maybe as a chairman, as a may not be a minister, may not be interested to know that technical issues, but it is very much required. And that communication system, that is where I used to tell you, my beloved students, to involve this transdisciplinary, a step ahead of multidisciplinary point, which was kept now by National Education Policy 2020. But we started doing that since 2006 itself in our NIT Rourkela, involving all these, whether it is electronics, computer science, mathematics, humanities, biomedical, I can name so many faculty as our co-investigators in our projects since then, including whether it is a mathematics name, whether it is a KC Patra or civil, biomedical, Angana madam, maybe Chinara madam, Hiller, LP Roy, electronics, computer science, all these people in the physics, Professor Panigrahi, right? Like that, so many people, right, are exposed to our mining as a part of co-investigator in the projects. So that's where we should know about these telecommunications, signaling, that arrangements are very much required, and whatever the information about the performance of the machine, performance of the supports, and performance of the total system, you should know. For that purpose, all these things are there, whether it is a loudspeaker or microphone, and recording that data and then providing as a big data later for machine learning, deep learning, and then giving some warning even to the other if there are any problems, right, in future. Then electricals and other things used at that place with the transformer, phase lighting, right, all those things were given here. Fluorescent lamps of 110 watts, right, all the electricals needed are also of flame-proof type, that you please note down, and that is also you consider as another question, why this flame-proof type is required. You can think of it, right? So these are with 2-3 just queries or CEP questions, why that should be flame-proof, and other CEP 1-2. Now you must have got it. With this I will close for today. I mean from my side. Then we will go. This is the way how it appears, your powertrain, energy train, which is kept generally inside the main gate. So here now you should have got by this time. But let me also just before going further, your CEP 2, I asked you CEP as why flame proof required. Can anybody say what are other CEP questions I asked? One was already there before, and 2 also I said something. Anybody want to say what was the question I asked? CEP 2? Already I asked about it. Okay. Those who are attentive, they will definitely remind me. And then now this is CEP 3, then 1. So now you can answer this CEP. Let me, now it is a 50% of the time as per our standard code of practice or SOPs. Now we have to evaluate our assignments which were given, not given, taken by our beloved students based on their interest, topic of their interest. They have selected their assignments, and then they must have enjoyed in collecting, as I could see, many students response. I am not naming it. I am very happy to see very good response as I used to see over 15 years or 1.5 decades as a professor here. And some of my students already are in very senior positions, whether it is a scientific line, research line, industry, private, maybe Coal India or other organizations in India and other countries also. So I used to get that feedback. Okay, then now let me take once again your attendance, but before that, let me ask you any queries. Any queries, doubts? You can ask queries, doubts on whatever we are discussing, and later now your answers for CEP, because all these things are being taken as a part of your whatever the quiz test, other things to be done. This I consider as a quiz test and other things, and depending on it, it should be a voluntary, right? So nobody will impose on you. So by imposition, nothing will come out, right? So that will be taken as a burden only. You should come forward, and you should come forward as a best underground coal mining engineers. It is not that somebody forces you to only to go for underground coal mining, right? If given the opportunity, you should select the most worst situation in India where you can contribute the best. So that's where lies your national education policy 2020. That's where lies your adventurous way of make India, startup India, stand up India, whatever, skill India. Right. Any answers for CEP? 1, 2, 3, etc. You can answer. And now let us go to your assignment. Now CR want to present the status, or shall I show anything? Now you have to unmute and tell me. Anybody? I could see the names here.
Yes, sir. The few students have
Mohan
submitted it over
Gaurav,
Google.
Yogita Madam, Sivankar, Amrish Gupta, Maji, Nikita, Thakur, Satvik. Initially, I thought while writing in the WhatsApp, he has written Satvik A or something Satvika, I thought. Okay, no problem. Ladies, gents, both are same for us as contribution to mining engineering is concerned and contribution to underground coal mining engineering is concerned. No problem. Satvik, I could see Karthik, all those people. Now, if you want to share some slide, and before that, let me know who are the 3 persons ready to present today. Now we should not waste time. 8. Now it is 8, 9:30, 5:36 it is showing. So now 8 minutes should be sufficient to present. Who are ready? Otherwise, I will continue with your evaluation process. We will keep 0 for the people who are supposed to be as per rule number, and we allow to the next. Now,
Hello, sir.
yes, Karthik, you want to share your slide? Shall I take out my slide?
No, sir. I'm sharing the YouTube videos of few students which have shared already.
No problem. Don't worry for YouTube for today. And others, others, you tell me who is going to present today. YouTube, you keep it. That can be shared anytime. But I want the status. Status.
Okay, sir.
How
I
many
guess
have
Yogita is
submitted?
presenting today.
You have any table where it is written by name? They presented Word, PDF, PPT, and their YouTube. All people should
Yes,
also
sir.
present their YouTube. Let them learn the skills of our MS team utilizing this online teaching learning process. Even if it continues for COVID-19 20, 21, 22, we should learn to solve the problems, and you should be ready, right? That's why we made it mandatory that all the students will prepare their Word file in international journal format and its PDF. The reason you must be knowing, already we discussed, and then their PPT, and then their YouTube link of whatever they prepared. Okay, these 4. And now let me, Karthik, your CR want to share the total list and say their status. If he is ready with that, it's okay.
Yes, sir. I
Otherwise,
have the list with me.
very good. Now you can share it. Karthik, you continue sharing that list. Already I took once again attendance, it seems. I have taken out my sharing option, and CR is given that option of sharing. Right.
So currently a very few number of students have
No
shared
problem.
actually.
I want the total list.
Okay, sir.
If you have, you share it. Otherwise, I will. I have some other alternative arrangement for that, because this has been
Okay, sir.
followed over 15
These
years.
these are the
More,
lists of students which
very
have
good. Make it full
submitted, sir.
screen. Make it full screen so that people can see. Very nice. Now only 19% they could prepare it. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what we do is now we will take up. Is it with roll number?
Yes, sir. With the roll number, sir.
Okay, nice. So, in fact, if voluntarily this any work is not done, we have a very good system of going by roll number. That roll number can be many times, many ways. 2 persons from the beginning, 2 persons from the end. 4 will be ready in each class, and out of 4, 3 will be presenting, right? And if they are not ready, they will be kept 0 marks, and we will go to the next for the next class. This is the way how we do that. You got my point, not only Karthik, everybody, right? So that becomes easy. And number 2 is this by this time all the PPTs. Now what you are supposed to do is topic assignment, everything is there. You will keep here your Word file, Word and PDF is almost same because that will not take any time. So Word and PDF file, its date of submission, and then PPT date of submission, and then your YouTube link date of submission. This is the way how you can prepare it later, Karthik. Okay, that you will be maintaining
Yes, sir, I
it.
will prepare a
And
final list.
now what we do is, I will take only, now it is 9:40, I will take only 5 to 10 minutes and we will take only one presentation today. And let me know who will be ready voluntarily from this list, whatever our Karthik projected here. Those who are ready to present today, sharing their slide. Okay, right. So meanwhile, now let me go through the process, what we have done. Now this is that. Okay, now let me, I have to start my sharing slide, right?
Okay, sir, I'm turning off.
Let me do that. Yes. So this is a list what we prepared at that time. Now I think you are able to see the screen. Yes, my screen you are able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is what we have decided to be done. And now I am taking their attendance also, so that total status will be very clear now. Now somebody, if it is absent, I will keep it absent, no problem. And their preparedness now. This is a status of assignment as on 22nd February, right? Attendance and this. So Thandin Vanchuk is there, absent. Otherwise, I will keep absent. Next, Gaurav, absent.
Yes, sir, I'm present. No, sir, I'm
Present.
present, sir.
He is already
I
submitted.
yes, sir, I've
Submitted, I
already
will keep
submitted
yes.
it. Yes, sir,
Submitted,
I've
okay?
already submitted.
Right. Then Ayush, absent. Next, Chandan.
Present, sir. Sir, I have
If he is
submitted, but
submitted,
it's
now
not.
today he will present now. Today, presentation, PPT, he will do that from his sharing that or his PPT with CR, whatever. The way today now he will present after our this one. Right. Ayush absent. Okay. Chandan absent.
Present, sir. Sir, I have submitted, but it's not showing in the what
Don't
Karthik
worry.
shared the list. It's my name is not
He
showing.
is presented. Oh, he is submitted, right?
Yes, sir, I
So,
have submitted, but my name
okay.
is not showing.
So
Don't
I downloaded the
worry.
list last night. So if
Don't worry.
he has
Then
some,
I will.
Today he will present.
yes.
Okay.
Gaurav will take up later. Chandan will present today after this. Siddharth, absent, present. Siddharth,
Sir,
absent.
submitted, sir, submitted.
It should be very
Sir,
fast.
submitted.
Right. So your presentation, because today only we will take up this. Tomorrow we are having class. Okay. So tomorrow is 23rd, right? So 23rd February he will present. Next, Uttam. Yes, continue. He is absent. You should be very fast. Shivam, absent.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
You should tell. Be fast. So he will be doing it on 23rd tomorrow. Okay. If he is there, he will be presenting on 23rd. What is this? Undo. Okay. Copy. So he will be presenting on 23rd. Okay. Right. Sreja absent. Sivashankar.
Sir, submitted. Sir, submitted. Sir, Stage has
Sivashankar
submitted.
presented. He will be
Yes, sir,
presenting
present, sir.
on 23rd.
Sir,
Then Tapan.
hello. Sir,
PPT.
Yes,
Stage
sir.
has presented.
Present.
Sir,
Tapan
submitted.
Present,
absent.
sir.
Then
Present, sir. Present.
Arre,
Present, sir.
submitted. Submitted. Then your
Sir,
next
Stage
class
has
will be on
submitted.
26. You will be presenting on. Be
Yes, sir.
fast. Jasmine absent.
Present, sir, present, sir, present, sir.
Then
Smarak present, sir.
Smarak will be presenting on 26, 23rd, and
Hello, sir.
Jasmine.
Sir,
Don't talk in between. You should know how to follow the instruction. Otherwise, a mining engineer who cannot follow instruction should
sir,
not
I said
go
present
into
as
the
soon as
field.
you called my name.
Okay, 26. Okay. Now next, Sai Varshit absent.
Present, sir.
Present. Then you tell the date of your presentation.
26,
Each class 3 people. Then you go further. Fast. Be fast.
sir. 29.
29. 25. Okay, let us continue. Sudansh, absent.
sir. Sir,
Then you tell the date. If you submitted, you tell the date. Not submitted, not submitted. That's all over. Now, Anindya, absent.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
If you are present, then tell the date. I need not ask again. 26.
26, sir.
Next, 26. Next, you be fast. Then Ayush, what is this?
Present, sir.
26. Ayush, tell the date. 3
Present,
persons for
present,
the
sir.
subsequent classes. 3 persons for the
Ayush is
subsequent
present,
classes. Ayush,
Yes, sir.
are submitted
23.
or not submitted? Be fast.
Submitted, sir.
Then which date? Which date you want to present?
23. 23.
How you can present 23? Already that date is over. Next. After 26, which is the date? After 26, which is the date? Yes. So 1st March is his date. Next. Divya, be fast. All these things.
Present, sir.
Then submitted, not submitted.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Submitted.
yes or no. Then tell the date.
Sir, submitted already, sir.
Nigam.
Yes, sir.
Nigam,
Submitted 1st March. Submitted and 1st March.
That's what it should be the answer. Jagabandhu.
Yes, sir, submitted. Second
Then-
March. I think.
Very good. Why you are thinking? You know the dates. Avinash.
Sir, submitted and 2nd March.
Very good. ऐसा होना चाहिए जी माइनिंग इंजीनियर मतलब. चिन्मय, be fast.
2nd March.
Are you submitted or not? Because that list is already there with our
Sir.
CR. By today, are you submitted or not? Not
Yes, sir.
submitted.
Yes, sir. Submitted, sir. Submitted 2nd March.
And 2nd March. Okay. Next should go to the next class. Okay. 2nd March quota is over. Next.
Submitted
Sai.
6th March, sir. Submitted
Next class
6th
is
March.
6th. 6th. 6th
March.
and 5th. 5th. Okay.
5th March, I think. 5th March.
Why you are thinking? You know the list. You know the dates. Right?
5th March.
What is the question?
Sir.
Okay. Confirm.
Submitted.
बताइए. Prabhat
Submitted 5th March.
submitted 5th March.
5th March.
Yes, sir. You should not give wrong information. If you have submitted, that should be there already with your CR. This is for today. Satvik, yes, no, not submitted, absent. Continue. Anshu, absent.
Present, sir. Sir,
Okay,
present,
then you
sir.
tell.
Submitted 8th March.
5th March कोटा खत्म हो गया.
Yes, sir. 8th March, sir.
Satvik has submitted,
खत्म
sir.
नहीं हुआ भाई.
Sir, 5th March then.
आशुतोष, fast. Asutosh, absent. Javed, absent. Mohan, absent. Mayank,
Present, sir.
absent.
Present, sir.
Mayank,
Present, sir. Present.
Then
Present,
date,
sir.
be fast.
Sir, 5th March. 5th March.
5th quota is over. Okay, let there be 4 persons. Okay. Pratyush. Now you have 4 persons. Otherwise, we cannot complete. Be fast. You should not take more than 2 minutes because one presentation already is there today. Pratyush,
Sir, present but not submitted, sir.
not submitted. He is a good man. Right. Next, Subham, absent.
Sir, 8th March. 8th March. 8th March.
He is 8th March. So next 3 persons can be there for 8th March. Next, Nikita.
Submitted 8th March.
Very good.
Submit-
ऐसा होना चाहिए जी. Right. Very good. Next. Name is already displayed here. You should tell me. You should read the name and tell me. Rahul.
Present.
मैं तो
Present
पूरा हो
not.
गया जी. मुझसे ज्यादा बात नहीं करवाना है.
Sir,
You should take
present not.
my experience to improve your skills, not my this voice. Right. Rahul, absent.
Present, sir, but not submitted.
Not submitted. ऐसा होना चाहिए. Very good boy. Yogita, absent. Next, Atlagada.
March.
8th March. Okay. Yogita madam, 8th March. Next is Yarlagada.
Submitted. 8th March, sir. Sir, submitted 8th March.
8th March. Next दूसरा डेट ले ले. अंकित absent. Deepak absent. Ashutosh
9 March,
absent.
9 March, sir, 9 March.
Ashutosh 9 March, sir.
Ashutosh
submitted
is 9th March.
Sir, Deepak 9 March.
Be attentive.
Sir,
We don't want
Deepak
lazy
9 March.
people. They may become a part of the disasters in the mines. They cannot be attentive. They cannot follow instruction. They will make mischievous mistakes, and that leads to disasters in the mines. That we don't want. Rajesh. Rajesh absent.
Sir,
Next.
submitted
Gagan.
9th March. Submitted 9th March.
Kaun.
Ankit Kumar, sir. Sir,
Gagan.
Deepak, 9 March, sir.
दीपक तो पुराने जन्म में चला गया भाई।
अंकित सर नहीं मैंने बोला
तुम
आपको
नहीं है।
सुना
नहीं
नहीं।
नहीं
अंकित सर।
गगन, अरे नेक्स्ट नाम आप खुद बताना चाहिए हमको। ऑलरेडी यू आर सीइंग द लिस्ट। गगन एब्सेंट। नेक्स्ट कन्हैया एब्सेंट।
9 March.
Ankit absent.
Hello.
9 March. 9 March.
Hello, President.
Ankit is 9th March. Ankit 9th March. Over. Before 12th March, we should finish everything. Dakku Patil, that is the last course day.
Sir, not
Dakku Patil.
Sir, not submitted.
Not submitted. This is very good. For those people who are not submitted, I think we have to plan for some additional classes. Sauvik. It can be on Sunday, Saturday.
Submitted.
Even I am ready in
sir,
the midnight
submitted.
also 12 o'clock, anytime, as per
submit-
your interest in learning more. Sauvik, absent.
Sir, present. Sir,
there?
present submitted. Present and submitted. I don't know the next date actually.
What is the meaning?
Uh,
What is the
I
meaning
don't
of
know.
don't know next date?
I
Don't
mean,
you know what is the dates we are having class?
no, actually,
Sauvik,
sir, like I don't
after
have a.
9th किस दिन आएगा? After 9th, which day will come?
Let me check, sir.
तुम ही थोड़ा देखना है, और कोई नहीं देख रहा है. Somebody else tell. अरे 9th Tuesday है, 10th 11th 12th होगा.
12th March. 12th
इसके
March.
लिए क्या डिक्शनरी देखना है क्या थोड़ी? हाँ, लकावत एब्सेंट.
Sir.
एब्सेंट.
Present, sir. Not submitted.
प्रेजेंट क्या कर रहा है भाई? सो रहा है क्या? Who is present? Estari.
Srikanth, sir. Lakat Srikanth, present.
Srikanth on 12th.
Yes, sir.
That is the last date. Everybody should finish on that day. There is no other way. Otherwise, if they are not prepared, then extra classes should be taken. Now, what about this? Premjit absent? He is absent. Then Karthik absent. Over?
Yes,
Over
sir.
for today.
Sir, my roll number was not
Save
changed.
as-
Sir.
Save as
My roll
status
number was not
as
there.
on- as on 22. I have saved
Hello.
this status.
Hello.
And Karthik,
Sir, I'm
we don't
present, sir.
encourage lazy people.
Sir,
Don't talk, any cross talk should not be there.
Sir, you can check
Sir,
Karthik.
I was saying you
From
just
the
said
student.
absent.
Right?
Just raise.
Karthik, are you present or absent?
Sir, I am present, sir.
Yes. So on 12th you are presenting, right? Over.
Sir, my roll number was not came, sir.
Don't worry. Right? Next,
Sir.
you will be presenting on that day. Premji.
May I-
Acha, anybody else? Then let
Yes,
them
sir.
communicate
Yes, sir.
to your CR. Okay.
Sir, my roll number was
Now we
not
are
came, sir.
closing for today. From my side now, your person will be ready to present. Who is that man? Already we decided. Now I am sharing,
my-
stopping sharing from my side and continue presentation now. Yes,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
stop sharing it. Continue. Presentation. कौन कर रहा है?
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am presenting. Chandan.
Chandan Jyoti Biswal.
Yes,
Continue.
sir.
Continue. Share your slide and continue.
I don't know how to share actually. I'm finding
CR,
the.
help him. This type of lazy people we don't want.
Excuse me, sir.
Don't you know how to share the slides? Have you submitted to your CR? Then CR
Yes, sir.
should be having it. CR,
Yes,
you
sir.
share the slide, he will talk about it. Continue. Don't waste time.
Sir, I'm not
PPT is there
having
with
his
CR.
link actually.
Sir, may I present for
Continue with
today?
CR.
Sir, Chandan's link is not present with me in Google form.
What is the meaning of this?
This means
Sir, may
he
I
might have
present for
submitted
today?
some
You are
late or
all-
like that.
Are useless memory builders, not a part of problem solving. Understand?
Give me 2
Who is the
minutes, sir. I'm
next man?
solving it.
You forget about him. Who is the next man who was ready to present today?
Sir, me. Sir, Shrej Jha.
Continue. You should know how to solve the problems. Understand?
Sir, may I present them?
Yes, continue. You should have all the options. That PPT should be there in MS Team. Anybody can open that. And also with your CR. Even if you have any problem, he will open it. Understand? This is what should be done as a part of our Atmanirbhar Bharat National Education Policy 2020. Right? Otherwise, you will become a mining engineer who will be causing disasters in the mines, which we don't want. Continue.
Karthik, can you make me a presenter, please? So that I can present.
Karthik, you open his PPT that is there with you.
Karthik, make me a presenter.
Karthik will open his PPT, then he will be talking. That's all over. Whenever he says
So
change
he
the
is
slide,
presenting himself. He is saying that. I've made him presenter. You can present.
Continue. You should have 5, 6 up to 10 safety factor, even if it is not possible by this way, another way, other way. Right. That's what I wish by the final year when you come to become like that much skilled enough. Should not talk about the problems, should talk about the solutions. Very good. Sreja. Continue. Wonderful. Nice.
Yes, sir. So this is my presentation on the safety in UG mines. So this presentation is made based on my journal that is in guidance of our Honorable Professor Singham Jayantu. So we'll start the presentation now. So my topic was a case study on the safety in the USA mining industry. So I will present some statistics to depict the condition at present. So from the turn of the millennium, that is between 2000 to 2020, there have been a total of 384 fatalities in UG mine locations across the US. And we can see that 31% of these have been caused by falling off ground and 24.7% have been caused by power haulage. So these two reasons alone cause more than half of the fatalities that are being caused all over the US in underground coal mines. And in the last decade alone, 33.4%, that is 5,775 injuries have been caused by poor material handling, and machinery has caused 1,709 of them. And the total number of active mining operations, unfortunately, has been decreased from 1,039 to nearly half the figure, that is around 530 in 2019. And recently in the news, we also saw a total of 15 miners who were trapped in a UG coal mine due to an explosion and taken out of a mine shaft. Now, from this graph that I'm showing, sir, is my graph visible to this slide?
It is taking time to change the slide, it seems. Don't worry.
Sir,
you can press there. You can press directly from there.
So
on the left. You press on the left.
Yes, sir.
On the left,
Sir, now is it visible, the 1969 Coal Health and Safety Act?
Not yet. I think others also can respond. Everybody should take part. There will be questions on the presentations, whatever are made by anybody to the questions to all. Yes. Now it is clear. Continue. Srey. Yes. Continue.
Yes, sir. Wait. So
try to make it short for today. Yes.
Sir, sir, is this graph visible? 1969 Coal Health and
Continue.
So from this graph, it is pretty evident that the Coal Safety Act in 1969 made some drastic changes in the mine safety across the US. We can see in 1970 there were 260 coal miner deaths, while in 2014 it has been exponentially reduced to 16. But since the turn of the millennium, that is from 2000 to 2014, there hasn't been much change in the numbers. They have been constant throughout. So the solutions which I will propose now will may improve this condition in the future, I hope. So I'll present the solutions now. Are the new slides visible, the resources and techniques?
That may take time because that audio, video. Yes.
So now
try to make it short. Only important points you tell.
Yes, sir. I have only 7 slides.
Right.
Sir, so this is the infrared thermal camera underground mobile equipment. Sir, is it visible?
Yes. Continue.
So the application of this infrared camera, which was initially developed by Peabody Energy Solutions in Australia, so it reduces the risk associated with large underground machinery. And the camera technology was aimed at providing the operator with the ability to detect people in traditional blind spots. And it also gives people a visual of the machines, cables, and other warm objects in areas that are very hard to observe in coal mines. So, moving on to the next slide, the pulley string catcher. I hope it is visible.
Yes,
So,
continue.
So the pulley string catcher, it was developed by Anglo-Americans Moramba North Mine. It improves safety of workers by reducing their exposure to fire. And we all know that the risk of fire is so much exponential in coal mines. They cause a lot of fatalities every year. So it can lead to catastrophic consequences and lengthy production delays. So with pulley string catcher, it is reduced, and many injuries are also caused by pulley failures because of difficulty in changing out the pulley due to its weight and with limited accessibility and restricted areas.
And you have to make it fast.
Yes,
Continue.
sir.
Because all
Yes,
these
sir.
materials will be available to everybody. Their Word,
Yeah.
PDF, PPT, everything.
Yes, sir.
So you
The
just tell
stone
only
dust.
important point and go.
Yes, sir. This is the stone dust spray. So this is the stone dust spray bar, which is the same application of using only 1% to spray a lot of to set it up and execute the task to spread the stone dust throughout the UG coal mine. It can be an innovative tool which is built by Wales Corborough Downs coal mine. And now to the conclusion part. The new technologies are, we know that new technologies are constantly being used to provide real-time analysis of many activities. And we all know the importance of innovation in mining industry. So we had to keep in mind that the more we think about it, the better the mining industry will become. And along with all this automation, robotics, remotization of operations, Internet of Things, analytics, and all this, if combined together, may enhance the process of mining. So these are my references that I have used for making this presentation, and thus this is the final slide.
Very good. Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you,
So
sir.
we appreciate our Shrey Jha for his
Sir,
nice
also you have marked me
presentation.
absent for today in the document file. I said yes,
No
sir.
problem. Those things will be verified. No problem. Right. So here we are supposed to do something more. All those things I will explain later. But nicely he tried to give some latest issues, like your even spray bar, whatever was used for stone dusting and all, right? That will improve definitely our safety. But for today, I will be giving some more information on all the presentations once it is done in between also. All the best to everybody now. We should not go to others' classes, and your parents might have taken a good decision of sending you to NIT Rourkela. Of course, so that's why dhanyawad to your parents, and take care of them and take care of your health. For today, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and then try to become more attentive and learn the habit of following the instructions, code of practice, standard operating procedure, whatever. They are more important for our underground coal mining methods to understand and then implement. And that is going to cause or may lead or may not lead, right? If you take proper decisions and implement it, it may even avert a situation of a great disaster in underground mines. So that's why we are supposed to be very attentive and should follow that type of following the instructions, trend of learning that type of habits. Okay, that's what is our Skill India National Education Policy 2020 Atmanirbhar Bharat for our mining. All the best then. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. और क्या बोलना है जी? Before stopping it, so that we should not enter into others class now. All the best. Yes, JNIT
Sir,
Rourkela,
my roll number was not came in this list,
and
today's
J
list, sir.
National Education Policy, and also our mining National Education Policy 2020. I am stopping recording now. Now let us close it. So